Hummingbirds are one of the most fascinating birds, and now you can watch them up close with the SOLIOM Humbirdie Hummingbird Camera Feeder. There's a live view, and also you can get instant notifications to your phone. The bee-proof design prevents bees from getting inside the feeder. Also has a built-in ant moat to keep those pesky ants off your feeder. All parts are removable and easy to clean. An extra bonus that includes cleaning brushes and some extra supplies. I highly recommend the SOLIOM Humbirdie Hummingbird Feeder Camera, and it's now available on Amazon.